Everybody, this is Simon. You're watching Cryptechology. So, in the second part of the video, we're going to talk about hotspotting. Now, there's going to be so much I want to share with you with hotspotting. Stay tuned for some of the videos that I'll be coming out with on my channel to help you understand about how to use hotspotting. But this video is just basically a quick introduction to hotspotting and what they created. Also, check out Helium Hacks, where they had an interview with hotspotting, where they did a great demo of this platform, how you can use it, and ways you can really strategize on your deployment with hotspotting. So, hotspotting. What is hotspotting? What is all this about? And how could you utilize hotspotting to your advantage? Well, these are some of the questions that may come up when you think about hotspotting. Is it helium related? Does this actually even work? Is it even necessary to pay attention to? There's so many apps, there's so many things going on. You just don't want to get caught up in the next fad or whatever. But hotspotting is your all-in-one tool for building the Helium network. Have you seen and followed my journey and throughout my channel? I am Simon, your Helium G. I am a member of the Helium Patron Alliance member, just to help you understand that I'm not here to try to shill anything onto you. I'm not here to try to, basically make money off of something that I don't believe in. Any content that I share on this channel are things that I am using myself. I will never share something with you guys that I have, number one, have tried and tested myself. Number two, I've communicated with either the developers or the team. And number three, something that I wanted, something that I would also present to my own family, friends, and and some people say, to my own mother. So, all of that being said, hotspotting falls under that category. The same thing goes with token metrics. I've talked about token metrics a lot of this channel. I'm part of their astronaut program, affiliate astronaut program. This is a really great tool for crypto trading, financial tracking, machine learning, AI, for helping you stay ahead of the curve with crypto trading and investment. When it comes to token metrics community, this is top of the line application for your crypto investing needs. Token metrics is a winning edge you need to make money in crypto. See, at Token Metrics, it's the recipe for success. It's a cryptocurrency data and research company. They're blending their expertise of their investment team, data scientists, and developers. They have built a software platform powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning, which delivers comprehensive institutional level research and analysis on over 6,000 crypto assets. When you think of token metrics, there's a couple of things you got to think about, or at least be aware of. Human capital. They take the best investment analysts, developers, and traders from companies like Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, IBM to create token metric system for evaluating cryptocurrencies. And number two, data and analytics. They analyze over 70 data points collected from a diverse sources on each of the 6,000 cryptocurrencies in their database. When they create objective data-driven evaluations on the long-term and short-term profitability of each cryptocurrency, this is a way that you will be notified on helping your portfolio and finding the right moves before or ahead of the curve. Artificial intelligence. Well, how does that fit in? They use this and they test millions of prediction models against each other, creating thoroughly tested crypto ratings that lead to profits. With their planned features, Token Metrics account crypto investors can access real-time data, including curated research and insights to help them create a winning portfolio. We have crypto indices and ratings and rankings. These are the exchange indices and time horizons that you can go through. And also the ratings and rankings have tested more than 20 million AI models using over 70 quantitative data points to provide investors with the industry's most thoroughly tested crypto asset ratings and reviews. These daily insights makes building profitable crypto portfolios quite easy. Additionally, the in-depth ratings, analysis, and code reviews for cryptocurrencies by market cap will help you know which ones are scams and which ones have the potential for huge profits. They also have the trends indicator, which is one of my favorite features in token metrics. This is great for leveraging machine learning. Their proprietary visual trends indicator creates signals for more than 6,000 crypto assets, indicating which are bullish or bearish. Organized by the market cap, customers use this technical data to know exactly when to buy or sell. All of this is for educational purposes only. Anything that I am saying is not financial advice or a recommendation to buy and or sell any securities or crypto tokens that's discussed in the video. This is merely a share of my own experience and my own journey on my path towards financial freedom, and I am sharing with you as an astronaut affiliate of Token Metrics, basically just sharing with you what I am doing that has helped me to level up and enhance my future self. Price predictions. Everybody likes the price prediction conversation. I'm not a big fan of it, but hey, people enjoy it, and sometimes it's a little bit fun to put up your price predictions to see who's right. Well, Token Metrics, which is powered by machine learning, provides rolling daily price predictions on 6,000 plus cryptocurrencies. Additionally, for full transparency, we will share just how accurate their models have been over the last 12 months. So we'll share that in one of my next videos. Token Metrics TV, that's actually where we started off before I came to this site. Token Metrics TV has 24/7 access to exclusive crypto news and analysis presented by the leading team of investment specialists. Their lineup features daily market updates, price predictions, hidden gem investment ideas, technology deep dives, interviews with crypto movers and shakers, and much, much more. Ian Bellina here, as the founder and creator of Token Metrics, is complemented by his team. We got Bill Noble and Forrest. They've done a great job. Jad, Forrest, and Bill. We also have Dylan, and he does a great job with the crypto roundup and crypto hot seat. Honestly, out of all of this, my favorite is the market update with Bill Noble, and of course the crypto foresights with Forrest. Forrest does a fantastic job on his chart analysis and really top-notch quality work. Now, these are the different plans that you can subscribe to when it comes to Token Metrics. You have the hodler plan, the investor plan, and the professional plan. Now, some of these numbers might be quite high for a lot of people, and I totally understand. All right, I get it. Hey, trust me, I'm no big whale with deep pockets either. I'm using the hodler plan. Yeah, I would love to be part of the investor, honestly, the professional plan all day, but I am not at that level. But hopefully one day I will be at that level, because when I tell you this, I will 100% definitely become a professional subscriber to Token Metrics when I get there, and I have the ability to do so. But until then, I want to support Token Metrics because I really like what they're doing. I really like this platform and what they're doing with AI and machine learning. I mean, it's it's truly amazing. If you don't have the time to do the DD, the research, and all of the things that's necessary to find, you know, the 5x, the 10x, the 100x, the big moves in the markets, all right? If you don't have the time to do all of that research, all you need to do is become a member of Token Metrics, and they'll point you in the right direction because they're already doing that work. And with the AI working for you, I mean, come on, you have a computer basically letting you know the deal when it comes to finding the right plays. Token Metrics was telling people about Solana. I mean, that's not where I got Solana. I just knew about Solana way back. But Token Metrics was talking about Solana for quite some time now, and it was hitting on my my chart. So when I log in real quickly to my Token Metrics account, and I say, hey, I want to check out, you know, we have the investor type, the trader, and investor. You got the time horizon of how long you plan on holding or trading. So let's just do monthly. And look at that, I'm not even on it. And it's telling us right now, and we can do a market cap above 30 million. If you say yes, it will pull up the cryptos below 30 million on the market cap, but I like to keep it a no. And the exchanges, well, you can select either Binance. This is only going to be Binance specific coins, Coinbase specific coins, Kraken, Uniswap, Qcoin, you get it. And I believe they'll be adding some more exchanges in the future. I would be, you know, I would be pretty excited if they also added Crypto.com, maybe FTX, or something like that in the future. But sometimes I like to use Coinbase because that's what I do. Binance, you can also just collect all exchanges to get everything. And then you got the investor status, whether you're going to want to hold for quarterly or you're going to hold for yearly. But let's just keep it simple. We're going to hold for quarterly, okay? And as you can see, as I was clicking in the index selection here, things were changing. So this is letting us know that this was last updated June 30th and March 31st. The index for all exchanges next update will be on September 30th. So that doesn't mean that's the last time it's gathered information. That's just saying that is the time horizon that they're using for this, okay? So let's just click submit, and let's see what the AI is telling us. Let's see if we can, you know, gather some information that can be helpful to our portfolio. And always remember, this isn't the be-all, end-all, okay? This isn't like, all right, Token Metrics said it, so I'm, you know, I'm focused on my bag, only on this. Token Metrics is a great tool to help complement your current trading strategies and or investment strategies. So as you can see, we have a lot of different projects here, and some of them you may know, some of them you may not know, but it's also, you see, it's including Kraken, Uniswap, or Qcoin coins, and that may not even be anything that you even have access to. So that's why it's important to sometimes be specific to the exchange. All right, and so let's actually do that and click submit. Let's see what happens when we do that. Now we're just looking at the coins specifically on Binance and anything that's below 30 million on the market cap. So it's given us all of these coins now. We got Axis Infinity and Terra. All right, we got Pancake Swap and Wrapped Bitcoin. All right, so let's see what happens when we hit Coinbase and submit and see if anything changes. All right, because they do have a different list of tokens available to their customers. So it should change theoretically as that loads up. And as you can see, it did. Now we have Enzyme, all right, Band Protocol, we have Scale, Mirror, CeeLo. CeeLo's a pretty good one. I've been trading a lot lately. We have Synthetics, UMA, Polygon, and AMP. All right, so this is basically letting us know, hey, this should be your index allocations for success. And you also have the investors indices performance, and this is the percentage gain of index since inception. So we have the quarterly moving average, all right, and this is all the exchanges on the return of investment. All right, so now let's just actually change it up to trader on Coinbase, and let's see what happens now. What type of information do we gather? This kind of might give us a little bit more of a smaller time horizon and give us different data. And this is what I like to use the most. As you can see, we're getting hit up on Solana, Cardano, Polkadot, and Uniswap, Wrap Bitcoin. Boom. This is what I'm talking about. All right, but this is on a daily. All right, but we want to do a monthly trader type status. And now let's hit submit and see what kind of projects come up this time. See if we get any changes. We're still using Coinbase Exchange as our exchange, so we should get familiar things. All right, so as you can see, we got Cardano again in Jin. We got Axis Infinity. We got Polkadot in there. We got Wrapped Bitcoin. Ooh, Solana again, and then we got Bitcoin. That is awesome. All right, now how about let's do some Uniswap and click submit, because I do use Uniswap as well. For anybody that's brand new to any of this, Uniswap is a DEX. It's a decentralized exchange. You use Uniswap to access altcoins, other ERC20, Ethereum coins, and you use Uniswap to access them, trade them, swap them, and things like that. So we got Wrap Bitcoin, Metis, and Axis Infinity. Axis Infinity's been coming up a lot throughout all of the different data sets. So this would be something that I would actually say, this is coming up a lot. I'm seeing this a lot. Maybe I will put this down on my portfolio or investment trading plan strategy. Now below this, we have the a line chart here that will basically give you the index all-time performance versus BTC. So all of this is basically against Bitcoin, how it's performing against Bitcoin, and this is using Uniswap because we have that selected up here. So if we have Coinbase and we click submit, that's going to see all of this is changing. So this is going to change all of the data sets that's being populated on the screen here. So now we have the index all-time performance against BTC. We have, again, our trader monthly index allocation. We'd like Solana. Again, Axis Infinity has come up, Polkadot. So now I'm starting to take consideration. Hey, these are some coins that I need to focus on. All right, it's coming up multiple times. All right, then we have the different time horizons that we can change here, whether it's a week, a month, 3 months, a year, year to date. All of this can be changed so you can get a good understanding of the index all-time performance against BTC. Now below that we have the trader monthly. These are the index holdings. So this is basically going to give you the purchase date. So the purchase date of August 31st. All right. So obviously that's not today. But if you had a purchase date, because obviously it can't pull in data from today, it won't be able to give you information. But what this is telling you that, hey, if you were part of Token Metrics and you did have this up and you did make any of these index holdings and purchase on the 31st of August, let's see what happens. So if you purchase Bitcoin August 31st, your current return would have been 4.05%. All right, the initial price would have been at 47,623. The current price is 49,551. All right, our portfolio weight, same 20%. This is basically going to tell us, how much of your portfolio should be in it, but that's, neither here or there. Initial cash value, they're saying, if you were to put like 2,000 in of Bitcoin, where would you be at right now? You would be at 2,080. So how many tokens would have calculated to a 0.04 tokens of BTC? But essentially from August 31st till today, you would have at least made $80 on a $2,000 initial cash value investment. If you would have purchased Solana on August 31st, you would have been up 13.61%. At an initial price at 111. All right, the current price is what? 127. Oh, I didn't even know that. All right, let's say if we made $2,000 initial investment in Solana and you would have got 17.86 tokens, you would have made $272 just recently. Now we got Wrap Bitcoin. Okay, Wrap Bitcoin's actually doing a little bit better than regular Bitcoin. Polkadot. If we would have made a Polkadot investment on the 31st, we would have had a current ROI of 6.2%. the initial price of 30. Current price is 32. All right, with the portfolio weight, I'm just going to keep skipping over that. But say if you put in about $965, you would have been able to obtain 31 tokens and have a current cash value of $1,025.20. Axis Infinity, you would have been up 2.13%. Engine, you would have been up 0.49. Cardano, you would have been up 5.67%. Say, and you only put up 600 some odd dollars to it, you would have been up. And it would have at least 217 in tokens and so forth. So this is a really great section of the chart to kind of give you a good understanding of, hey, if I would have made some moves these days, where would I be at right now? And that's what basically that's going to tell you. But hey, let's see if we can get a longer time horizon with that. Let's see what happens if we change this. Oh wait, that's only that chart. Daily, weekly, monthly, that's that. All right, so yeah, we can't change, we can't go back further if we said like, hey, we wanted to go back before the 31st. All right, so below that we have the last index transactions. Okay, so this would only be transactions, tokens sold, and the cash value of it. And also, really great thing here. So we have the ratings. The ratings section is pretty cool as well. This gives you information on, the market ranks by market cap. Then you'll get the grade of the token based on their AI and machine learning. And like you said, you can change it from daily, weekly to monthly. And you'll have different information and stats on their grade of each token. All right, you can also sort it by the grade to see, hey, well, which one of these is actually performing well, and what does Token Metrics think about it? Which ones? So right now, according to Token Metrics, the highest grade, 91.8% is Solana. All right, with Solana at a price of 127, our 24-hour price change has been 10.78%. And, that's just really fantastic because Solana has been offering a fantastic blockchain with their proof of history consensus algorithm. And stay tuned for that video because I'm going to be going over a lot when it comes to the Solana blockchain and what they have to offer. But really quickly, because I just want to let people understand. So what is Solana? So Solana is one of the most performant blockchains. It's fast, secure, and censorship resistant. Blockchain providing the open infrastructure required for global adoption. The protocol is designed to scale together hardware and bandwidth improvements with capacity expected to double every 2 years. So they have scalable, low cost, all right? And I mean, there's just so much Solana offers. So stay tuned for that video. But this is what I was talking about, the proof of history, all right, which is a pretty difficult problem in distributed systems, is an agreement on the time and sequence in which events occurred. This problem, excuse me, I need some water. This problem is even harder in systems like blockchains. Nodes in the network simply can't trust an external source of time or any time stamp that appears in a message. So they typically rely on their own local clock without knowledge of any other participants' clocks in the network. The lack of a trusted source of time means that when a message timestamp is used to accept or reject a message, there is no guarantee that every other participant in the network will make the exact same choice. Solana believes proof of history provides the solution of a decentralized clock for the entire system. So they built an entire blockchain based on it. And stay tuned for that video where we'll go and dive deep more into proof of history and Solana and what they have to offer. Alright, so this was a pretty crazy video. We went over a lot. I didn't go over Hotspotty like what I wanted to, but stay tuned for that video where we will explain in more detail about this all-in-one tool for building the Helium network. But just quickly, here you can see Hotspotty. You can visualize and understand all your hotspot data. You can manage, plan, optimize your hotspot locations, collaborate with the community and your team, manage and automate partner payouts. Alright, so get ready for the hotspotty video, and let's continue to build the IoT network of the future. Alright, y'all, I'm Simon. This is Cryptechology. I'll catch you on the next one.